This is a model of our green machine, nitro funny car. I'll just sort of let you know like how I got involved in the motor racing thing. Is I started off being a motor mechanic. I went to City Motors Scarborough, which is now North City Holden, and went off to Belga Tech School and did a mechanical apprenticeship along there. So therefore that allowed me to sort of get involved with building the motors and being able to sort of go down that track. But there's many aspects and many careers that you can pick if you want to get involved in drag racing. Starting from up the front, we do have electronic management systems on here that run all our clutch. So we have electronic over pneumatics, over the air, so there's a lot of electronics available here. We also have onboard computers where we have like a black box on an aeroplane where it monitors all the functions of the aeroplane. We have the same black box on our funny car here, so that we can monitor all the exhaust gas temperatures and oil pressures, supercharged pressures and whatnot. So then we have some technicians there that load the computers and then unload them and then print it all out, and then we can assess and go through all the information between races. We move on to the nitromethane side of things. There's the chemistry side of the petrol there that we move on to there. The clutch and all the clutch management side of it is a really big area that people can get involved in too, which is more on the mechanical side of it, but with the electronic override there as well. We have chassis builders that build the chromoly chassis right from the word go. They start off from some plans on the workshop floor on a jig and a big heap of chromoly pipe, and away they go. So obviously you go down the welding track there and do the welding side of things there. Also we have the tyres. The tyres are specially built tyres and made from the Goodyear factory over there in America. And so we have the rims that go alongside with that. They make and pour them in a foundry, and so we have foundry and big lathes and people that build the wheels and the rims. And the differential at the back is also all custom made from sheet metal, chromoly sheet metal, and that's also all Pacific sort of drag race and stuff. But when you move on to the body, that becomes into the fiberglass sort of side of things. They're usually the people that are making surfboards or building boats. They're those sort of people, and what they do is they make a mould from a standard street car, and then they do all the aerodynamic modifications to the body, and then put on the wings at the back and the downforce sort of side of things. Then they'll actually build the whole sort of fiberglass shell. Then it's obviously off to the painters and the panel beaters to finish off and get the paint work, and then finish off the sign riders. You know, the sign riders do all the paint, all the obvious sort of signs all over the car and all the sponsors' names and representation there. So there is quite a big field of careers that you could sort of pick that is sort of quite relevant to really the race car side of things.